Are you unemployed and in desperate need of fast cash? Affiliate marketing could be your ticket to earning money online quickly. Let's dive into the easiest strategies you can start today.
Affiliate marketing is where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's a low-cost way to start making money online.
First, choose a niche that interests you. Popular niches for quick cash include health and wellness, personal finance, and online tools. The more you know about your niche, the easier it will be to promote products.
Next, sign up for affiliate programs. Look for high commission programs on platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. These programs have a variety of products to promote.
Now let's get to the fast cash part. Here are quick ways to promote your affiliate links. Use platforms like Instagram and Facebook to share posts about products. Create engaging content that drives clicks. Start a simple blog or use free platforms like Medium to write product reviews. Include your affiliate links. Build an email list, even from friends and family, and send out product recommendations. Tools like MailChimp offer free plans.
To make money quickly, leverage free traffic sources. Create quick video reviews on YouTube or TikTok, or share your affiliate links on Pinterest. You don't need a huge following to start seeing results.
Remember, consistency is key. Set a daily goal, whether it's posting on social media or writing a blog post. The more effort you put in, the quicker you can start earning. Ready to get started? Dive into affiliate marketing today and start making that fast cash. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on earning money online. Good luck!